Hello kids, let's learn some action verbs. Drink. I can drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Eat. I eat lots of food. Walk. I go for walk every morning. Run. He can run very fast. Skip. Come on, let's skip. Jump. They are jumping on the trampoline. Climb. She loves to climb. Read. You need to improve your reading. Learn. I am learning answers for test. Cry. Why are you crying? Laugh. Laughing is one of the best exercise. Write. I am writing an essay. Sit down. Stand up. Clap. Clap your hands. Pull. Unnecessary, don't pull the door. Chop. Chop the vegetables. Push. Don't push me. Lift. He lifted the dumbbells. Throw. Throw the garbage on the dustbin. Catch. Catch the ball. Touch. Don't touch my mobile. Slide. She is sliding down the slide. Swing. He is swinging under the tree. Kick. Kick the ball. Squeeze. Squeezing a stress ball can have a calming effect on the body. Balance. I can balance on the rope. Play. Girl is playing with a ball. Guess. Can you guess the name of my favorite teacher? Greet. She greeted him with a quick handshake. Bake. Chef is baking cupcakes. Bring. Please bring the books. Draw. I love to draw paintings. Enter. They are entering in the room. Exit. There is the way to exit. Snore. Duck was snoring away in her bed. Dream. I often dream of achieving big things. Dance. I am a disco dancer. Teach. Teaching is my profession and passion. Ride. She learned how to ride a horse when she was young. Cut. Cut the paper carefully. Dig. Some animals has been digging in the garden. Cough. He has a cough and a cold. Imitate. Kids always imitate their elders. Sew. She sews her own dresses by hand. Turn on. Turn on the tap. Turn off. Turn off the tap. Scream. Why are you screaming? Solve. Solve the sum, please. Shake. Shake your hands. Replace. Paper bags have been largely replaced by plastic bags. Whistle. He was whistling softly to himself. Sneeze. She handed me a tissue just as I sneezed. Whisper. Don't whisper in the class. Collide. Vans collided at the crossroads. Tickle. His little brother screamed with laughter as he tickled him. Stretch. I need to stretch before performing exercise. Boil. We should drink boiled water. Roast. He loves roasted chicken. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Slice. Give me a slice of bread. Wring. I wrung the towel and hung it up to dry. Crumple. She crumpled the piece of paper into a ball. Press. Press the button. Spill. He always spilled the milk. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.